Good afternoon, all. I am Babasaheb Kale, Joint Secretary, GSS, Disaster Management and Property Loss Prevention Task Force. It is indeed my pleasure to greet all of you, entire GSS family, on this great day of global anniversary. GSS is always been striving for thought leadership, and in last couple of years we have established that thought leadership through our various important initiatives. One of them is this particular task force for disaster management and property loss prevention. When we all work in corporate services sector, it is our responsibility, in fact it's our prime responsibility, to look at our investments, assets and people. We need to safeguard them from natural and man-made disasters. In fact, this sort of disasters are not only becoming very frequent, but they are becoming very, very impactful. If you see current year's global risk report published by World Economic Forum, if you see this on the scale of likelihood as well as on impact, the initiatives or the aspects which are related to global warming or sustainability are of prime concern. They are really changing the risk parameters, and entire approach needs to be relooked. And that's where we wanted to create this particular task force and help our members not only to understand the importance of this subject in practical sense, but also to develop capability to deliver necessary business resilience for their individual organizations. This will not only help them for their while working for their own employers or their own organizations, but this will also help them to create necessary awareness for their communities where they live, for their own family members, and make the entire world around us very safe. We will be creating awareness, we will be imparting training, we will be coming up with some certification programs, we will create knowledge bank, and through this what we are really looking at also is to create job opportunities. The most important task for all of us will be creating the bridge between local authorities, corporates and communities around us. It's not duty of only government framework or government authorities to help us on aspects like disaster management, but it's our duty as sensible citizens to help them and to impart necessary awareness amongst our own people, our own communities, and make sure that we all will safeguard our assets, our people and our investments. I once again congratulate all of you, and will be very happy to interact with you during coming year on this particular aspect and take help from you to make it most successful initiative for all of us. Thank you.